It has been conduct and becoming in this country that court orders are thought of as mere pieces of paper. On behalf of the Law Society of Kenya, we will not condone that culture and we will not condone that habit.
The orders were not that the respondents may be represented by any other party. The orders were they appear in person. The orders were they appear in person. So to that extent, my Lord, there is a contempt on the face of this court, to which, my Lord, we urge you and request you to make that observation, that the IG and the respondents that were supposed to appear before you are in contempt of these proceedings. If you remember, my Lord, in this honorable court, one of the parents cried before this court.
Yes.
And we still have, even if you say in the public domain, we know petitioners that are still missing, and we do not know their whereabouts. We must get answers today.
Response, Mr. Omari, I gave you an opportunity. I explained the rules of my court. You decided to try them. This is the consequence. Please leave my court. Mr. Omari, we are not having a debate, a discussion, a negotiation. Please leave my court.
I will leave. I respect the jurisdiction of this court. Save that the court gave directions, and I comply with the directions.
Okay, Mr. Omari, sorry to interject. May I have your P105 number? We can do this another way. What is your P105? Do you want us to go down that route?
My Lord, I didn't want us to go that route.
Yes, so please obey the court. I have ensured that your party is represented by someone else, so there'll be no prejudice suffered if you...
What I was only requesting, can I sit and listen, or I can't listen? I'm not an advocate. The court has already struck me from representing my client.
I've not struck you from representing your client. I've asked you to leave for the purposes of today.
Can I
leave
sit
the
and
court.
Follow the proceedings?
No.
Much obliged.
Mr. Ogada?
Thank you, Your Lordship. So the position of the Law Society of Kenya.
If the Inspector General of Police misses on that third hearing date, I will go with option 1. I will cite, convict, and sentence on the spot.
And Kipchumba Murkomen to advise the IG and the AG to move with speed to the Court of Appeal to stay the orders for the IG to be produced in court. The IG appears in Parliament. And if this matter goes to the Parliament, the IG will appear, he'll defend himself, he'll provide evidence of what he knows and what is not known.
Not just the 8 now, but according to the Kenya Human Rights Commission, over 80, actually 82, have been abducted between July and now.